Ever wondered if you can turn that mountain of loose change into cash at Wells Fargo? You might be surprised to learn how the bank handles your coins. Does Wells Fargo take coins? If you're staring at a jar full of pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters and wondering whether Wells Fargo will take them, the answer is yes. Many people don't realize that you can deposit coins at some banks, and Wells Fargo is among them. Whether you're cleaning out your piggy bank or just need to turn some spare change into usable funds, Wells Fargo provides a convenient way to do so. Wells Fargo makes the process quite user-friendly. They accept coins that are properly rolled, which means you'll need to wrap them up before bringing them to the bank. The good news is that Wells Fargo offers free coin wrappers to its customers, so you won't need to spend extra on them. You can simply request these wrappers at any Wells Fargo branch and use them to sort and wrap your coins. This service not only helps in managing your spare change, but also ensures that your deposits are processed smoothly. In addition to accepting rolled coins, Wells Fargo has a policy that makes it easy to deposit your spare change without incurring fees. This is a significant benefit for those who don't want to worry about additional charges when converting their coins into cash or depositing them into their accounts. By making the process straightforward and fee-free, Wells Fargo helps you get the most out of your coins, making it a hassle-free experience. So the next time you have a jar full of coins, remember that Wells Fargo is ready to help you turn that change into cash without any extra cost. Have you ever used a bank's coin deposit service? How was your experience?